Good morning, guys. Johnny with bermudagrass lawn care. Well, I think this is a disaster. What am I talking about? Remember the video that I put out yesterday in regards to overseeding and how I place all the seeds over here and put some of them over here, and I also put some seeds in the back here, all over here and throughout my yard, and over fertilized it and everything. Well, we just went through a thunderstorm and all my seed, I think, except for the ones in here, I know for a fact the ones here, they're all washed away. Yep, they're all washed away. Here, let me show you how much of accumulation of dead grass and thatch. Well, just basically dead grass clippings and all that stuff. Look. Oops, sorry about that. Yep, so I'll rake this up in a few minutes and bag it. But all over here, all my stuff is gone. But that is gardening, right? That is working with Mother Nature. It's no big deal. So what I'll do is regroup. As of right now, I'm not going to oversee this. What I'm going to do, look at my hammock, man. The wind was crazy. Yeah, the whole south got hit. So what I'm going to do is feed it. I'm going to feed the heck out of my common Bermuda. And yep, and just watch it grow. You know, I told you guys yesterday I didn't have any patience. Well, guess what? Mother Nature is making me have patience. So therefore, that's what I'm going to do. All right. Yeah, the wind was all crazy. Look at that. Look at all the leaves and stuff from the tree, from the pear tree. Yeah, so I just got to clean up my yard. So this is to show you guys, sometimes you have a plan A, and plan A really doesn't work. No big deal. Oh, the sun is coming out. Awesome, look at that. The sun is coming out. So therefore, what I'm going to do is just keep watering it. I'm going to water it as if the seeds are still there, to see what germinates and what doesn't. But we're going to feed it. We're going to feed it, and give it a lot of love. And every week or so, I'll give you guys an update as to, you know, what it's looking like. Okay. All right, guys. Not to prolong this video, I just wanted to make a quick update of what it looks like and what happened. This way, when you guys watch the other video and go, hey, where's your update? I'm gonna give you a quick next day update of my seeding. It went kaput, but no big deal. Hey, think positive, we'll keep it moving. All right, guys, have a great one, and thank you for following us. Like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Peace.